I get to kind of show you what it is. So they were this color originally, as you saw yesterday before I painted them. It's literally just, I'll pop it up on the screen. It's a set of, I can't remember how many, but a decent amount of candle holders, and then some just basic wood coasters and that. And then I had glued the coaster onto the base. I had plaster on top of this, my bad, because I had that on it, but I glued this with hot glue, and then yeah, you can just put the little plastic rock base or the rock just flat down on top of it and then go from there. My plan is to actually like glue these onto the front when I'm for sure where I want everything, because I made it to where these can just attach to the front. They're curved a little bit and I can curve them more and that, but I think that would be kind of cute, honestly. Are they the absolute prettiest things we've ever seen? No. Does it matter? No. They're for rocks. That's all we need them for. My mom asked me what I was doing with all my rocks while I was dyeing the other stuff. Well, I think it's just kind of chill out here for the time being. Well, here's everybody. I still need to make a label for this one because I had it wrong. I was calling it Chalcedony. It's not. It's Celestite. And then I put these two together, so I have a random one here so I can use it for something else. But now for my other one over here, and then I have them kind of sitting up here. They are going to be on plastic stands that go up because it's actually a mirror base, so I kind of want to make it fit that. So this whole area will be changing once I get those. To make these, it's just, which I'll be taking this one out, but it's just these small little label frames that you can get on Amazon. You can get a whole bunch of different sizes or whatever that you want. I chose these just because they were pretty and they kind of fit what I needed. And then I'm just writing them all down on what it is. And then I go through with some shading stuff from War Paints. And then I also have the same color pen in a brush tip, so I wet the paper and then I just kind of make it look aged. And that some of them look better than this, other ones, you know, I mean, it's whatever, because you really just need the name of it. It doesn't really matter what the label itself looks like, it's just more to fit the vibe. We'll see. I still haven't glued them because I'm not sure if that's really what I want, so they just kind of lean against the rocks like you saw earlier. But yeah, so that's how I made my Victorian rock displays. It's just, I mean, I tried to keep it as easy as possible because for some reason it's oddly kind of hard to find good rock bases. The plastic ones are fine, and you can find some other stuff. Like what I'm going to be doing back here is definitely going to be more of like a contemporary style with the clear bases and everything. But yeah, which, I mean, everything's subject to change. Right now I'm going through like a Victorian that could change in a couple years, you know, but yeah, so I also need to work on how exactly I'm going to make a base for my mammoth tooth. That mammoth tooth, man, I'm not sure what to do with it yet, but I'm very happy to have it. I guess leave a comment down below if you'd like to like kind of see like a full tour of my rock collection. It's ever growing. Because I found out that we actually have like rock shows and whatever in the area that I live, and I'm going to be going to museums soon, so they might have some stuff on sale, plus display, which I also plan on sharing. I kind of want to share my museum tours just in general if I have the opportunity to, because it's not like it's talked about, but it's not like fully talked about where I live, so it's like I would like to go through some of the oh gosh, museums, STEM-based stuff, like all that kind of stuff, in case anybody kind of is, you know, in the same boat as me where you're like, you moved to Nebraska and you don't know what the flip the state even does, you know what I mean? I don't know. Maybe that's just me. It's probably just me.